As Samsung prepares to unveil its latest flagship devices at the highly anticipated Unpacked event on July 10th, the excitement surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera capabilities is reaching new heights. Renowned tech insider Spio4Te has spilled the beans on two groundbreaking sensor upgrades that will take mobile photography to the next level. Get ready for a resolution revolution. The ultra-wide sensor is rumored to be upgraded to a 1/2.76-inch JN1 sensor, potentially boosting resolution from 12 megapixels to a staggering 50 megapixels. But that's not all. The 3x telephoto lens may also receive a significant upgrade, featuring a larger 1/3-inch isocell sensor that surpasses the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 1/3.52-inch sensor. This could lead to a remarkable increase in resolution from 10 megapixels to 50 megapixels. But what really sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart is the development of innovative new algorithms that will take smartphone photography to unprecedented heights. These cutting-edge algorithms will enhance image quality and functionality, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with mobile cameras. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera capabilities and get ready to experience the future of smartphone photography. As we eagerly await the launch of the Galaxy S25 series in 2025, rumors are circulating about a significant upgrade to the camera sensor. While it's important to approach this rumor with caution, the potential upgrade from a 10-megapixel 3x sensor to a higher megapixel sensor is an exciting prospect. This change could revolutionize image quality, meeting consumer demands and paving the way for innovative features. The Galaxy S24 series may still be fresh on our minds, but Samsung is already looking to the future. With rumors and leaks emerging about the Galaxy S25 series, it's clear that Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. According to ZDNet Korea, Samsung is working tirelessly to improve the yield of its Exynos 2500 chip, with significant progress already made. While challenges remain, Samsung is determined to achieve its goals by the second half of 2024. As we look to the future of smartphones, one thing is certain: the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a game-changer. With its rumored camera upgrades and improved chip yield, Samsung is poised to take the smartphone market by storm. Samsung's chip dilemma: will Exynos farewell pave the way for a price hike? As Samsung races to meet the 60% chip yield threshold for mass production, the question on everyone's mind is, will they succeed? While Exynos device users may not be holding their breath, Samsung's struggles with chip production are a reminder that innovation comes with risks. With Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 on the horizon, Samsung faces a new challenge: a potential 25 to 30% price hike due to advanced 3nm and 3E process manufacturing. This means the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could cost a whopping $260, forcing Samsung to make tough decisions. Will they absorb the costs, compromise on battery, display, or build quality, or introduce an in-house XMS chip to break free from Qualcomm's pricing grip? The fate of the Galaxy S25 series hangs in the balance. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.